is going on there, guys? Just back here. So it's currently 10 I 1:10:48 seconds yung kakalipas lang. So yun guys, just want to say yun nag-record ako for another video. So I just want to say thank you so much guys, and thank you again doon sa guy na yun. What's your name, bro? Di ko nakuha yung name mo. Oh my god. So and kaka-recent, so kaka-recent subscribe lang ni eto ni AC Live kanina 42 minutes ago. Then ikaw ba yun, bro? Ikaw ba si Von Brian Domingo? So Jeffrel Canete Massive Mogen. Sana all, Lana Oil. And hello to you, Milo. Mike Kiyama. So yun, thank you so much guys for sa mga comment. Just, comment, then ganon. So, and then subscribe. Yun guys, subscribe na kayo. What are you waiting for? So, yun, I just want to say thank you so much guys. Keep it up sa mga learning dyan the basics, You have my tutorials, ganon. So, thank you so much guys. Thank you, thank you. So, etong tutorial na to, very very isa sa mga importante basically cause karamihan siya ginagamit in front end development, in web design, web development. So yun, so meron tayong tinatawag na lists, tinatawag na yung mga tinatawag na lists. So ito, nasulat ko na pala yung una. So ito, the first one is tinatawag na UL, which stands for unordered lists. So nakakita na ba kayo guys sa isang website, like may isang website na parang alam mo yung may dot dot, then parang naka list siya para makita niyo na lang ganyan. So eto, by the way, everything na tinuturo ko dito, especially the HTML CSS part, is makikita niyo siya in W3 schools. Yun. So, ganun. You can search about it. Actually, the good thing about W3 schools is pwede mo siyang mag-try. You can edit like that. So, pero, if you wanna watch me, ganon. So, I hope you do, guys. So, yun. So, unordered lists, yun stands for UL. Yeah, UL stands for unordered lists. So, basically, unordered list siya. So, ano nga ba yan? So, pag magano kayo ng unordered list, mga list of things like anything, like for example, a list of animals, ganon. So, tandaan nyo, lalagay kayo ng opening UL, ganito, ganyan, UL, then the closing. So, tandaan nyo guys, ilalagay nyo siya sa loob, in between. Okay? So, what if lalagay na tayo ng list of animals, ganyan. So, lalagay ulit kayo ng opening, LI, stands for list. So, and ganyan. Then, for example, dog. Ganyan. Then, the closing. So, unang, ano pa lang yan, yung unang listan or let's just say, yung element. Yung laman, ganyan. So, kung gusto mo pa magdagdag, like, another, LI, for example, cat, gusto niyo pa, bakit mo ganyan? So, kung gusto niyo pa, sheep, ba't ko naisip na sheep? I don't know. Bira lang maisip ang sheep. LI, for example, frog. LI, bird. Ganyan. So, basically, it's just a list. So, save nyo as HTML. So, yun. So, ito lang guys yung yung, index.py. That's the thesis part. So, this is where I keep the So, just double click or then so yan, this is what I'm talking about. So dog, cat, sheep, frog, bird. So bakit tinawag na unordered list? Kasi unordered siya, like wala siyang So wala siyang label, like unordered siya. Parang tingnan mo unordered, like alin ba dito ang nauna? Basta ganon. Ganon yung So if the second thing naman is meron tayong kung meron tayong ordered list. So, kabaliktaran lang siya. So, hindi ko na to alisin. So, yun. So, kung meron tayong UL, meron tayong OL. Stands for ordered list. And same rin siya. Lalagay kayo ng laman, LI rin, in between. Like, ordered list, like, Iba naman names like Jack, anong names ng crush niyo, like, ano kaya, um, Christina. Wala akong crush si Christina or something like that. Ayaw ko na mag-mention ng mga pangalan, guys. I mean, like yan, ganyan. Jels, ganyan. Ayan. Ano pa? Gerald. Ganyan. Gerald. Ba't ko naisip Gerald? So, ganyan. So, kung ganyan, so ordered list siya. So, once we reload this, so, makikita niyo ordered list because it's basically the default is ordered siya in by 1, 2, 3, 4. So, ganyan. So, meron sa ganito guys, so since ordered siya 1, 2, 3, 4, so another attribute or yes, the attribute or ang tawag dito, attribute or oo, I think it's the attribute. So, we can put here, sinabi ko na to in the previous tutorials, I think yung mga sinabi niya ako about this. I mean, the thing about attributes. So, in tags, guys, in tags, like HTML tags, so basically, these are called tags, di ba? Tags, 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 tags. So, pwede tayong maglagay ng attribute, an attribute to the tag. So, eto, pwede tayong maglagay ng attribute sa ano natin, sa ordered list. So, the first thing is reversed. Una kong sabi, reversed. Ayan, so reversed. So, ano nga ba yung reversed? So, wag niyong lagay ng ganyan lang. So, basically, ibabalik ta rin lang naman yung, di ba nakita niyo 1, 2, 3, 4, magiging 4, 3, 2, 1 lang yan. So, kung makikita niyo, hindi siya nag-work. I don't know why. Maybe nasa browser yan. So, if you're using Chrome, I think mag-work yan sa inyo eh. So, hayaan niyo lang guys. So, try ko itong i-open through Chrome. Chrome. Ba't may Microsoft Visual Studio ako? In-install ko yung kanina eh. I mean, the hell? Ayun, yun na. So, di ba 4, 3, 2, 1. Ganyan. So, in the Chrome browser. So, if it doesn't work to you guys, I mean, kung di nagwo-work sa inyo, in Microsoft Edge kasi hindi oh. Yan. So, yan nyo lang. Pero so, nakita nyo na in ano. So, yun rin kasi ang, as I said, sa una pa lang sinabi ko na if you're, a web developer, you must use the latest browser. As in, because some tags don't work, some like attributes don't work also. So, the other one. So, copy ko lang to. Ganyan, ganyan, ganyan. So, how are you guys? I mean, thesis is live. Thesis is, oh my God, Jesus Christ. Yun. So, kung meron tayong reverse, meron naman tayong tinatawag na attribute na start. Yan, start. Actually, napakaraming attributes, guys. I'm just teaching you some of it because kung gusto niyo matuto, I mean, kung gusto niyo you wanna learn, I mean, you wanna know about more about these attributes, nasa W3 schools yan, guys. Lahat. Just search about it. So, eto, these are just some of it. Ilan lang sa kanila. Actually, marami yan eh. Wala, di kanya mawawalan. So, start basically means kung, since ordered list siya, start, kung basically from the word itself, kung saan mo sisimulan. Like, for example, simulan natin sa, for example, di ba, eto, what I mean is, ayan, so, nakakalito. Lagyan natin itong reverse. Hindi kasi nagwo-work sa ano eh. Reverse. Hindi kasi nagwo-work sa Microsoft Edge. So, since ito yung baka malito kayo guys kung alin yung ano. So, start. So, di ba 1, 2, 3, 4 siya? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, start natin siya simulan natin sa 55 or 69. 69. So, yan. So, yan ang ibig kong sabihin. So, simula sa 69, 70, 71, 72. So, on yan, guys. Kung lalagay kayo ng another element, like, yun yung Mia. Yeah, okay. Johnny Sins. Wala. Baka, baka may something on YouTube like, tama ba spelling, guys? Ganyan. Baka there's something on YouTube na copyright about names. Wala naman, di ba? So, yun. So, 73, 74. Ganyan. So, and so on yan. So, The other thing is we have the type. Um, copy paste ko ba to? Oh, the type. So ano ba yung type? Type is just basically yung parang 'di ba papalitan mo yung type ng pag-ordered niya. Like 'di ba yun yung isa 1 2 3 4. I think ito yun. Um, yung isa 1 2 3 4, yung isa ngayon I think it's I. Yep. Oh yeah, let's just try it, guys. Actually, marami yan. As I've said, nasa W3 schools yan lahat. Nasa Google lang yan lahat. But why does it, what the hell? So, what the hell? Oh, what an idiot me. What did I? Idiot, 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 idiot. Yan. So, basically ganyan. So, basically 1, 2, 3, 4 nga. Pero in Roman numeral form, parang ganyan. So, meron pa niyan. Marami niyan, guys. I think, hindi ko na maalala. I think A. Hindi ko alam. Let's just try it. Oh, yan. Yan. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Ganyan. So, yun, napakamarami yan, guys, na ano. Let's just search about it sa ano. So, this is very useful for sa mga front end nga. For the front end, sa mga gustong maging front end developers dyan. So, last but not the least, meron tayong dictionary list. Dictionary list. So basically, another type of list. So by the way, napakamaraming ulit na list. Marami to, guys. I think not just OL, UL, DL, the dictionary. Marami yan. You can just search about it in W3 schools. Just kasi napakasikat talaga ng W3 schools. Karamihan diyan, sa mga like me, a back end, I more on back end ako, like hindi ako maano masyado sa front end. I just copy paste HTML codes there. So, since meron tayong OL, meron tayong UL, meron tayong OL, meron din tayong DL. So, DL, dictionary list, another closing. So, eto, you don't put here LI. Instead, you put here, so, since dictionary list to, okay, dictionary list, DL. So, 'di ba sa dictionary, anong meron sa dictionary? Like, in a dictionary, anong meron? Word. Then, anong meron sa word? Meron yung definition niya or yung meaning. So, you put here DT, then you put here, for example, DT stands for dictionary term. So, for example, sardinas. Yeah, sardinas. DT. Then you put here the DD. The dictionary definition. So, sardinas. Anong definition ng sardinas? A canned, tama spelling, canned good fish that Filipinos love to eat. Yan. So, you can add actually more. Any kahit ilan gusto nyo, guys. Sardinas. Um, quick, quick. Kwek. Ano ang definition ng kwek-kwek? It's it is just basically egg waffles in English. Egg waffles. So yun, guys, yun. So once you reload this, so ayan, sardinas, then ganun yung itsura niya. Ito guys, ito diyan. Ito, yan. So ito yung word. Then its definition here. Parang ganyan yung itsura niya. So if you're thinking like developing na website, may kailangan yung ganyan yung itsura, then eto na, you have the right tag for the job. So kwek kwek is just basically egg waffles in English. So yun, guys, some basic lists in lesson 7. So yun. So, yun, guys, ano na. So again, thank you so much, guys. Yun. So sa mga subscribe, thank you so much. Sa mga hindi pa, please subscribe. You guys, let's hit the 1K. Oh my God, 400 left, 400, 300 something left. So sa mga nag-subscribe, I don't know what to say, guys. Really, really, I really, really appreciate, for subscribing, for tuning in, for all the comments, Sabi kayo may natutunan kayo, gano'n. Parang nakakataba ng puso, gano'n. Because, kahit papaano, because I'm not really a smart guy para sa akin. Pero, the fact na knowing nakakatulong ka sa mga tao, especially sa mga kapwa mo Pilipino, gano'n. Like, yun, parang nakakataba lang ng puso. So, yun. Thank you so much, guys. I'll see you on the next tutorial, okay? So, yun. So, thank you so much, guys. Thank you, and I'm out.